Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about launching the samskaras. As the mind becomes withdrawn and one-pointed, consciousness is kept by concentrating on a series of symbols or images. Each symbol has a certain kind, which might be a figure such as Christ, Buddha, or your master. Or it may take the kind of a lotus, golden egg, chakra symbol, geometric kind, mandala, yantra color, or perhaps a noise. Initially, when one attempts to envision the sign, numerous distracting images may arise. They might have troubling types such as evil forces, dragons, ghosts, or serpents, or they may look like gorgeous gardens, tranquil lakes, or visions of holy men and gods. These are symbols from the unconscious, the samskaras or impressions that consist of the ego. They can reveal painful memories, frustrated needs, unfulfilled desires, inhibitions, worries, complexes, and neuroses. These deep-rooted samskaras condition our thoughts and experience and oblige us to act in specific methods. They are often the source of stress, psychological disruptions, and illness. The procedure of visualization in yoga nidra makes it possible for us to purge these samskaras from the mind, hence purifying the layers of our consciousness, which is necessary prior to genuine development in yoga as possible.